Hey, good morning. Welcome to day 4 of my cross-country road trip 2019. I'm waking up this morning in Bakersfield, California. Got much needed rest after the last 3 days of driving from Florida to California. Kind of took a number on me, and yesterday the traffic was horrible. So what I thought was going to be about a 12 and a half hour day turned into almost about a 15-hour day on the road. It was quite a long day, so I needed some rest. So I'm getting off to a little bit of a late start this morning, but that's okay. I only have a 4-hour drive today from Bakersfield up to Sacramento. I'm going to go check out the state capitol, go and visit a couple of friends up there, hopefully. And then head down towards San Francisco, get myself checked into my hotel, get everything situated before the rest of the family joins me here out in San Francisco for a weekend of fun for the next couple of days. But I am about to take off on the road. Hopefully everything on the road's a lot better than it was yesterday. Yesterday it was not fun. It was not fun at all. No one wants to sit in traffic for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and you move like a mile. That's not fun. You know, it's not a LA thing. It was just there was a bad incident that happened. There was a house fire because a man started a fire in the house, and it was horrible situation. So they had to close the interstate down because they was afraid he was going to be shooting the gun that he was shooting at cops. They were afraid he was going to be shooting at traffic as well. So Interstate 10 was completely shut down. And then, so I rerouted myself, got around that mess, only to find out I got stuck again when there was an accident. Rerouted myself to a third different option. And in there, the police literally stopped right in front of me. I was about the third car back because they were chasing some guy on foot in the street in the middle of the highway. I guess everybody around me seemed like it was a normal thing, so I guess maybe it's an LA thing. I know police chases and all that are kind of the normal here, where they're always on TV and whatnot. We don't see that stuff that much in Florida where I'm at, but Florida's got its own share of stories. We know that Florida man is a thing because Florida man. But anyway, that's about it for now. I'm getting ready to grab some breakfast and head out on the roads. Hey everybody, stopped along the 99 freeway north. Had about a 4-hour trip today. I'm about an hour into it or so. Just decided to stop and stretch my legs and stopped at this rest area here, a little north of Tulare, California. Pretty nice place. Weather today is absolutely gorgeous so far. It's about 78 degrees, sunny. Beats the heck out of that 107 I was feeling in the desert yesterday.
Okay, we're here. We're at the airport and we are about to take our flight soon. In about 30 minutes or so, our flight starts boarding. It's on time. We're excited to see Daddy, who is driving, and he's already in San Francisco. And now we're going to take a 6-hour flight, so not too bad, right? Are you excited? You excited to see Daddy? All right. See you guys.